Hello, everybody. I got a new story for you today. It's a Lego story this time. So here we go. It is about a little boy named Davey and his wonderful dog, Riri. They were just having fun one day, just doing what they normally do, playing with like a kid normally plays with their dog, having fun, eating treats, going for walks, and then suddenly something bad happened because there was an evil Sith Lord, and he was there. We want a dog. We should go and get this amazing dog, Riri. I will use my Force Lightning, and I will try to take the dog. Kylo said, no, I will go hire some henchmen to do it. So that is what they did. Little Davy had no idea what was coming. But then the henchmen arrived. Oh, we are here to take the dog. And they did. No! Riri was absolutely sad. Wait a minute. It's time for me to seek some help. So he went off and he got on his phone and he called 1-800-WOOKIE. 1-800-WOOKIE. That's right. When you call 1-800-WOOKIE, this is who comes. He called the House of the Wookiees. And they said, hey, I'm having a little problems. They took my dog. I want my Riri back. And all the Wookiees said, roar! Which means, hey, they're going to help. So that's the cool part. Roar! And because they said, roar! Loud enough, they were able to reach someone very important. Oh, yes. It was Luke Skywalker and R2-D2. Said R2, and Luke said, that's right. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to help them. I'm going to help them find their dog. And so he did. Whoosh! And he goes off. And Luke took his sword. And he said, here we go, Davey. It's time for us to go rescue your dog. Whoosh! So they did. They found the evil villains with the dog. And they said, where is the dog? And they said, I don't know. I got rid of it. I had to give it to an evil Sith Lord. No, you didn't. And those villains were defeated. Aha, they were defeated. We will try to find them, said Luke and Davey. Whoosh, they went off. Do. And sure enough, they found the dog. And he was there, just as he suspected, on evil Sith Lord Island. It is time for us to take care of you. You can't take care of us. We're on a mountain, and you're on a little green patch of grass. Davey said, nuh-uh, I'm actually a Jedi too. And he used his super force with his hands like this. And he said, whoosh, oh, oh. And he took care of both of them because he's secretly a Padawan, and he's really a Jedi. He said, Riri, we've done it. We've rescued you from all danger. Riri was so excited to have his dog back, he didn't know what to do, but his dog did. His dog was like, ruff! And that means I'm glad I'm back with you. So here he is, David and his dog, and of course Luke. They enjoyed a great friendship, happily ever after. The end. Hope you enjoyed the story.